Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite recipes, the best ever lentil soup. This soup has an amazing, hearty texture that's full of bold flavors and tons of fresh ingredients. It's ready in under 30 minutes, and not only is it vegetarian, but it's packed full of protein, fiber, and other nutritious, well-balanced ingredients. I guarantee it's going to be one of your new go-to recipes, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm starting off here with this big pot on medium heat. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil. A 1/4 cup may seem like a lot, but it's gonna add a really lovely richness and heartiness to this soup. So once it's heated up, nice and shimmering, I'm adding 1 onion and my 2 carrots. I would usually use white onion or yellow, but I only had red on hand. I'm gonna saute this on a medium heat for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna keep turning it until everything is nice and soft and the onions are translucent. Okay, so now that the vegetables are all the way sauteed, I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 cloves of garlic, and for the spices, I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of cumin. The 2 spices are gonna give this soup a bold and earthy flavor, and also your house is gonna start smelling amazing. Stir it for about 30 seconds and then add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You want to simmer it for another 30 seconds in order to enhance their flavor. Now, all of these steps that we're doing is what's gonna build your soup to be the very best flavorful lentil soup, versus if we just threw everything in the pot with water. Now comes the time I'm going to be adding the lentils along with 4 cups of the broth. I'm adding an additional 2 cups of water, and for the last ingredient, you're going to be using a cup of greens of your choice. Now you can use collard greens, you can use kale. I'm using frozen spinach, that's just what I had in hand. But just be sure, if you are using fresh greens, be sure to remove the stems. Bring this up to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer it for about 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and they're still holding their shape. For the last part, I'm using my handheld blender to blend about 2 cups of the mixture. This is what's gonna give your soup that silky smooth texture. Make sure, you guys, that you do not skip this last step. And that is it, you guys. Your soup is done, ready to be served with a nice big piece of crusty bread to dip into. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and let me know in the comments section if you tried it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.